Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set up the action button to switch to silent mode. For this, open settings, then here you can see the option action button. Tap on this one, then swipe left or right. So here you can see here is the action button. Okay, then swipe left, you can see the option silent mode. Switch between the silent and ring for calls and alert. Now the ring mode is enabled in this device. If I press and hold, now the silent, this mode is set to this action button. Now press and hold the action button. Now you can see the silent mode is enabled. Silent icon is also you can see on the status bar. If I press and hold the action button again, you can see the ring mode is enabled. This is very simple, right? Let me show you the closer view. Just press and hold the action button. You can see the silent mode is enabled. Now the ring mode. So you can easily switch to silent and you can easily switch to the ring mode. So simply in this way we can set the silent mode or the ring mode to the action button in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.